allocate enough resources for Kisii ya Kenya. Umusomero magote. In order to destroy a nation, you don't need a bomb, a nuclear bomb. You don't need a long-range missile. You only need to compromise their system of education. If you want to improve Kenya, improve Kisii. Chie allocation is signed. Let the allocations be seen to improve the system, the education in Kenya. Biakabiri. Resources yet, they achieve channeled to the schools, and there should be an assessment of what the resources are doing. Asinga chumone tu ikaransilete CBC engagement ya korwe ehorokie CBC na kie kubwateranibwa wetera stakeholders chionzi umwiburi gasi ya unereri umwarimu na kyogokonya a community rend na kyogokonya. For example, genteke mu CBC kuoroki citizenship yentunkere kuoroki values self efficacy obonengera lyobi binte bimbi kurwa so mwarimu wikabiru asene environment and what have you. Yentukende gya gatatu, the government should intervene ase emechanderi arorekanire kintu kendi yonse kego chandeka emechanderi arorekanire. There should be short term measures, then medium term measures na long term measures. We kibeke short term mitigations na kibako konya emechande arorekanire. For example, shortage of teachers batabinkonya kurikabari, which is very very important. Abantu bari training etayo retooling, let it be more, let it be ina kitokoroka massive. Yes. Basugume kabisa.